We're here at the SuperMatt today, and it's free laundry.
It's another pop-up neighbor event. It's pop-up neighbor through laundry today here at SuperMatt Laundromat. Thanks to the generosity of the Patascil Foundation and the willingness of the Suncoast Campaign for grade level reading, we're here this morning, and everyone who walks through the door is getting their laundry done for free.
I'm loving this. We're giving families a great opportunity to save some money.
Probably like $40, $50.
We pay $35 a week with all 4 of my kids.
I threw everything I could in the baskets. I didn't care what it was. I almost threw my son in there. But this is a blessing for me.
They're also here with the kids and they're reading. It's all about literacy. We have celebrity readers, spending time with them one-on-one.
Today, thanks to the generosity of the Early Learning Coalition of Manatee County, we have a shelf full of books that the children can enjoy here in the laundromat and also take home to help build their home libraries.
I think it's wonderful. I think it's great for the community. It's great for the kids.
Helping everybody out who needs it the most.
Me dice que vamos a lavarte la ropa gratis. Pues tremendo, ¿no? Sí. Me sorprendí cuando llegué y vi esto que era gratis. Un dinero que uno se puede ahorrar. Le doy muchas gracias.
Que puedes ahorrar el dinero, usar el dinero que estás ahorrando aquí que no tienes que gastar hoy.
Pues puedo usar para comprar comida a mis niñas, que tengo 2 niñas pequeñas, y pues a eso lo puedo ocupar el dinero.
These pop-up neighbor events give us an opportunity to do something generous, but also meet our neighbors and hear what's important to them and share some joy.
Matter of fact, my grandbaby go to Alta Vista School. She have a 3.5 grade average. Her name is Layla Bright. She get awards all the time. It's amazing.
We have a great partnership with Alta Vista Elementary School, and we love Dr. Shirley and her team. Is she going to go to the Summer Learning Academy?
Yes, most definitely.
All right, that's it. She's going to be a rock star reader. Woo!
This is a wonderful thing. I wish they had this in a lot of more communities that really need this help. But this was a blessing to everybody today for y'all to come out and do this. Take y'all time out.
How about that? Bye.
Thank you. I love you.